All right, so we secured the approval to go ahead with the job. First phase was the boiler demo. We got the old cast iron boiler out of here, cleaned up the place. Next was prefabbing the boiler system at our shop. We like to build these at our shop in a controlled environment. It makes for a much more efficient installation. Upon completion of fabricating this at our shop, my brother and I were able to take this manifold board down to the basement, and we mount the manifold board right on the wall here, make our final connections, and this is the final piece that you see. All right, we're back in the basement here. What a difference it looks like. The old cast iron boiler is out, the old domestic water heater is out, and we have this compact, modulating, condensing hot water boiler made by Rheem. This unit's gonna heat the domestic water as well as heat the home in those cold winters that we have. This system has the ability to heat up to 4 different zones, different schedules, different temperatures. It's an ultra efficient, compact unit made by Rheem. In regards to the domestic water side of this Combi boiler, we have a thermostatic mixing valve installed on the hot outlet. That ensures a safe operating temperature of 120 degrees at all of our point of use fixtures. Let's take a closer look at the V10 control system. This is the brains of the operation. It's a nice bright LED display, and it's as simple as operating a smartphone. You're able to set up your temperature parameters for the domestic system and your heating system. You could also control the 4 zones right here as well. It's a very user-friendly, intuitive display that is easy for a homeowner and service tech to operate. Let's talk venting. We use Schedule 40 PVC pipe and fittings. This unit allows you to vent with 2-inch or 3-inch. 2-inch, the max linear footage is 50 feet. In 3-inch, it's 170. It allows for a super flexible install. In this application, our runs weren't that long, so we vented in 2-inch. Taking a closer look inside this unit, there's a lot of space, a lot of accessibility, and it's a simple design. We have our return pump, we have our heat exchanger, and we have 1 fan in here. Not a whole lot of moving parts. And when you don't have a whole lot of moving parts, you won't have a whole lot of problems. This unit is designed to last a long time with minimal maintenance. All right, guys, another great install. The Rheem Combi unit was a perfect application for this 1920s home. This is Mike Caruso from AC Plumbing signing out.